Meaning of devotion.
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 Devotion. Devotion refers to a strong feeling of commitment or dedication towards someone or something. It is an intense emotion that involves a deep sense of loyalty towards a particular cause, person, or belief. When a person is devoted to someone or something, they are willing to make sacrifices and put in the hard work required to achieve their goal. Devotion is often associated with religious or spiritual beliefs, but it can also be applied to relationships, hobbies, and careers, among other things. Ultimately, devotion is a powerful force that inspires people to pursue their dreams and achieve great things.